Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Google Chrome has a safety check tool, as many of you will know who do use the browser, which if we head over to settings, can be found on the privacy and security page. And the safety check tool, according to Google, will help keep you safe from data breaches, bad extensions, and more. And if you click check now, this will quickly run the tool, which will check if you have the latest updates for your browser, if you have any compromised passwords, if you have safe browsing turned on, and if you are protected from potentially harmful extensions. Now, this safety check tool, which has been around in the browser now for quite some time, could be getting replaced with a new tool called Safety Hub. And this is according to a new experimental flag that's been spotted in Chrome Canary version 117, which is the latest preview version. And although it's still early days because the new Safety Hub, when enabled, isn't working as exactly as expected, it does give us an indication, though, that Google could be in the process of replacing the safety check with a Safety Hub. Now, to enable the Safety Hub in Chrome Canary 117, as always, we head up to our Omnibox and we enter chrome://flags, which will take us over to the experimental flags page. Now, to bring up the flag, just type in safety. That's our keyword for this flag. And here we go. Safety Hub, and the description reads, which is very simple: when enabled, Safety Hub will be visible in settings. We change the default to enabled, and as always, we'll have to relaunch Chrome Canary 117 to apply that experimental flag. Now, if we head back to our settings and we head to the privacy and security page, here we can see that the safety check tool has been replaced with the new Safety Hub, which is still in its very early stages of development. And the description reads, Chrome regularly checks to make sure your browser has the safest settings. We'll let you know if anything needs your review. Now, if we click on Go to Safety Hub, at this stage, there are a couple of so-called dead features that aren't working. So it's still early days, but this will give us an indication as more or less what to expect when this feature is developed a little bit more by Google. Now, here we can see there are three sections: safety at a glance, safety recommendation, and safety tips. Now, this first section, safety at a glance, seems like it will give us an overview of our state of our passwords, our browser version, and basically our safe browser settings. Very similar to what we found originally in the safety check tool. Then moving on to the second section, safety recommendation, and obviously due to this one's name, it could be that this will be about permissions and extensions based on the current state of your browser. And then moving on to the third section, safety tips, this could be a section that will show features on how Chrome keeps you safe. So as we can see, it's combined current safety check features into a safety hub. So at this stage, it seems that it could be a hub, a centralized hub, where basically Google is giving you recommendations regarding your overall safety and things you can do about it in the Google Chrome web browser. Now, at this stage, because it's very early days, and as we can see, the feature isn't working as expected, it is being tested, as mentioned, in Chrome Canary 117. And at this stage, it's not known why Google is changing the safety check to Safety Hub. But nonetheless, thought this was interesting and just wanted to bring it to your attention because, as mentioned, the safety check tool has been around for quite some time in the browser. And at this stage, although not apparent, the actual reason why Google is rebranding the safety check to Safety Hub is not known. But obviously, if more info becomes available and I get wind of any more updates, I will post and keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.